Deep beneath the sparkling waves, in a colorful coral reef, lived a young squid named Sammy. Sammy was clever, curious, and always full of questions. He had 8 twisty arms, big round eyes, and a heart that always tried to do what was right. One day, the reef held its annual Art in the Sand contest. Sea creatures from all around came to make the most beautiful designs on the ocean floor using shells, pebbles, and seaweed. Sammy wanted to join too, but he wasn't sure he could make something good enough. So, the night before the contest, Sammy snuck out and peeked at the other animals' designs. He saw a dolphin's swirling pattern, a crab's star shape, and a jellyfish's glowing spiral. "I could just copy a little," Sammy whispered to himself. "No one would know." The next day, Sammy showed up with his design, a beautiful swirl, almost exactly like the dolphins. When the judges swam by, they were amazed. "What a stunning creation, Sammy." All the sea creatures clapped, but Sammy didn't feel proud. His arms drooped, and his heart felt heavy. After a long pause, he slowly floated forward and said, "I need to tell the truth. I copied part of this. It wasn't all mine." The reef grew quiet. Then the dolphins swam up and smiled. "That took courage, Sammy." Another judge nodded. Honesty matters more than winning. Sammy didn't win the contest that day, but the sea creatures remembered him for something more important: his truthfulness. From that day on, whenever someone in the reef felt tempted to take a shortcut, they thought of Sammy the truthful squid, the little squid who made a big decision.